Hello everyone, this is Stefan, you're watching SYG Tech. Welcome back for another video. So iPhone 6s on iOS 15, what is new? Couple of my favorite new features on iOS 15 on iPhone 6s. This is the oldest iPhone that you can buy right now. This has been released in 2015 and this iPhone still works amazingly. And I'm gonna give you my update about the performance, battery, so stay tuned for today's video. So let's start now with my cool new features. And if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit and subscribe if you like future iPhone updates. So let's start now with first update, and it's the Safari, which personally this is a very good update in my opinion. So the address bar is now here down on the bottom, which again this is much better in my opinion because it's much easy to type. Personally I think this is perfect. And also another interesting update on Safari is you can jump between the tabs. As you can see, again this is much better than the previous update, and this is easy and it's much better in my opinion. This is very good. Also the scrolling situation is pretty good in my opinion. Also you can change the tabs here on the bottom. So on the right side here you can go between the tabs, you can create new tabs as well. As you can see, again this update is very good in my opinion, so I like this update. Another interesting update is the FaceTime. So personally I think that this is very good update. You can send, for example, links to these FaceTime calls. I believe for the first time Android users can join as well. And again, this is a very good update on a FaceTime. I know many people using the FaceTime. Personally, I think this is pretty good. Also, the messaging app also has a new cool updates. So again, very interesting updates. One interesting update that personally I think it's my favorite is the focus mode. So you'll find the focus mode here on the panel on the when you scroll down. Also, if you go to settings, also you'll find the same focus mode here under the settings, which again this is pretty interesting in my opinion. But what the focus mode is doing, basically you can choose different options here. You can add more. So the focus mode is more advanced, do not disturb mode, which personally think this is brilliant. So let's say for example you at work and you want to set up the focus mode. So you can choose who can contact you, which personally I think this is very good option. And personally I think this is nice. Also you can choose what applications can go. Let's say for example if you're not allowed to use your Facebook on work or messenger app, you can do that here. So very good advanced mode, do not disturb mode, which again this is personally I think it's very good. One interesting update is the weather app. I know I talk about this weather app, but for some people maybe this is the most boring app, but personally I think this is very interesting app. And with this iOS 15 update, this goes even further. So if you scroll down, as you can see, you have all the information for forecast for the whole week and if it's gonna rain. Also, you have a map here, which is pretty interesting, so you can see what's going on, all the information, and I love it. It's a very good update, and you can change the location as well, and you can see in real time what is the weather like, which again this is very good update in my opinion. I know it's a weather app, but personally I think this is very good weather app in my opinion. So let me know in the comments down below if do you have any issues with these all new features on your iPhone 6s. So leave leave in the comments down below if you have any problems, if you have any issues with these updates, with these new features. So I'm very curious to see if some people have has any problems. Personally I think this update is very good. I know brings some cool new features, but personally I think this is very nice. I love it. Another cool feature personally I think, so if you go to jiggle mode, if you press the plus sign here, We have cool new widgets. So for example, if you scroll down, we have Find Mine. So this is a new widget. Also, we have the Game Center here, which is personally, I think this is pretty interesting as well. Also, we have Sleep, Contacts, so new widgets, which again, this is very good. And also, again, you can edit the stacks. So I know iOS 14 bring these stacks widgets on the desktop for new iOS 14 users on iPhones. Now, personally, I think this is very good. It works pretty good in my opinion. But overall, I think the iPhone 6s with the iOS 15 was performing very well. I did a battery test already. I think it performed very well. I don't know if you're gonna agree with that. If you do, hit that like button and leave your thoughts in the comments down below. But personally, I think this is a very good update for all the devices. I didn't have any issues with the battery. Battery actually was performing very well in my opinion on this device. Obviously, if you have a couple of widgets on your desktop, on your iPhone, obviously the battery will drain much quicker. So my advice is keep only one widget, because at least you can, I think the stack is pretty good because you can scroll between widgets. One widget is much better, personally I think, and I love it. Another cool new feature is so if you press the bar here, you can jump between the screens here, so you can delete some of the widgets, and personally I think this is pretty good. As you can see, I can jump here, I can move this, which personally I think is very nice. But let me know in the comments down below, what do you think, guys? I mean, do you have any issues with the iPhone 6s? Let me know in the comments down below. The battery was okay, I didn't have any issues. Performance, personally I think this is pretty good. Performance was okay. I didn't have any problems with this iPhone 6s. Personally, I think performance, I think it's okay, no issues, everything is smooth, everything works fine. But let me know in the comments down below, what do you think, and if you had any issues on the iPhone 6s. If you have any suggestions, please leave it in the comments down below. I hope you enjoyed today's video, so please make sure to like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.